Hi and welcome back to the shop, the part 2 of this Arboga DrillPress restoration. No, it's just a quick TLC and removing some of the electronics. So in this video I will remove the electronics, replace the wire with a new one, remove the table, which I have already done, clean it and paint it, and paint the base. So you will see sort of a little time lapse, and yeah, that will be it for this video, I think. So enjoy. So now I have mounted a new cable. It was a pain in the ass getting it down the hole where the shrink clamp on the cable is, because the cable is a little bit larger than originally intended, but I thought I could put some decent size on now that I should get a new one. But the emergency stop and the reverse forward box is now gone, and it's working like it was intended from factory, and then the main switch is down here, and then it won't work. Of course, emergency stop is quite handy, but I will add some on the feet, so you can use your feet, not your hands, because often you're busy with your hands when something is going wrong, and then I think a feet or foot lever operated one would be a better choice. Also, the clockwise, counterclockwise switch which were mounted here was okay, but often you need to use both hands, and then I would add a foot pedal as well, so you can do it with your feet. I know Arboga, some of them were made that way. So I will add that as well. But now it's I need to fix this, and also maybe just give it some clamping so it won't flex in the hole. But else the electronics are done, and now I will continue to clean the table, and I will also clean the base, and just wait for the new paint to arrive, and then I will give it a new layer. I will of course just paint a little area first to see if the color will match. But no matter if it's a 100% match, it will be better than this old rusty looking base. So stay tuned.
A few
And now the base has been painted, also the table. But as you probably can see, it's not a it's not a match. It's way more green in the paint. This one is just like a difference between the Strands blue and the green hammerite, or the hammered effect from hammerite. So I think I will give Eva Paint in Esbjerg a message and see if they can maybe make some custom made one for me to make it fit a little bit better. This is not it's not perfect, but again, it's just a drill press. But you know, sometimes you want to make it just looking a little bit as it should from factory. So stay tuned and see where we are ending with this. Bye bye.